Hey, SalesLoft champions, it's Sheena, Senior Customer Success Manager, and today I want to talk about the power of one. Okay, just one. In a world of big data, we often wait for a dashboard to turn bright red before we take any action. But as a champion, your job is to teach your team to catch first signal of intent before a competitor does. And today I'm going to show you how to build a first signal shared view within your prospecting results. Now, to get started, I'm going to navigate to the Accounts tab of the Prospecting Results dashboard. And this is just within Analytics. You're going to come here. Notice there's a couple different tabs. I'm just showing Accounts as one example, but what I'm showing you, the shared view capability was part of our January release, and it applies to most of these reports and filters throughout the platform. So be thinking about maybe some additional use cases as well, because I'm sure they're out there. Okay, so looking at this view here, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom actually. And what I'm noticing, again, all of these columns are editable, right? So we can show and hide those fields and then arrange our columns however we'd like. And the account that's standing out to me here is this Gravity, because I see one click but no successes. Okay, and that's really a massive opportunity when you think about it. That click is going to represent a real person and a real company, right? They stopped what they were doing and engage with your brand. So they're leaning in. If we wait until they're up to 10 clicks, we might be too late. So by sorting our clicked column like I did there, we're making sure that even a first signal doesn't go unnoticed. And of course, you could, customize this. We could say, clicks is greater than a certain number, touch points is greater than a certain number, etc. So lots of customization there. Now, my pro tip, as it relates to our January release, is when you see that one in the clicked column, don't just stop there. Okay, so let's actually click into the account and see who's clicking. Is it the decision maker? Is it a champion? Okay, so we can click to the account by just selecting that here. Okay, and we can open that up. Oh, I had this queued up. We can open that up here, right? We see the three opens, the one click, and we can drill into that more further, rather. And then we have this email detail over on the side, so we can see what was the actual link even? Oh, it was a meeting. Huh, maybe that's good intent, right? So not something we want to just overlook. All right. So what we're going to do here, certainly feel free to think about what other filters you might want to apply. But the other feature that I'm super excited about for our January release, I'm just going to make an update here so that I can show it to you, is once you customize this view, we're able to save that, right? And then it'll be added to your different dashboard view options. And but what's new is we now have this ability to share that view with the rest of your organization, right? So we can name it and then that gets saved out so that everyone else can really take advantage of this, really quick and easy way to stay on top of those signals. Okay, so I think all in all, it's not about how much data you have, it's about how fast you act on it. Okay, so I think my challenge for you would be build on this view. Even if it's only one account in there right now, that's one deal that's closer to closing than it was yesterday. Go find your one click and let's turn that into a meeting. So drop a comment below. Let me know what accounts you're reaching out to and which of those filters you found most helpful for your organization.